पदं ते कीर्तीनां प्रपदमपदं देवि विपदां कथं नीतं सद्भिः कठिनकमठीकर्परतुलां कथं वा बाहुभ्यामुपयमनकाले पुरभिदा यदादाय न्यस्तं दृशदि दयमानेन मनसा। पदं ते कीर्तीनां प्रपदम apadam prapadam apadam, because the first word ends in m and the next starts with a, so it becomes ma, m and a joined together to form ma. Prapada mapadam devi vipadam katham thas mahapranah neetam sadbhihi bhas mahapranah visarga changes to jihva mooliya kathina kamathi karparatulam is a compound word, both thas are mahapranah. Sadbhih kathina kamati karparatulam because of sandhi. Katham thas mahapranah va bahubhyam bha mahapranah upayamana kale is a compound word. Bahubhyam upayamana kale. Purabhida is a compound word. Bhas mahapranah. Yat tu changes to d because of sandhi. Adaya yadadaya because of sandhi. Nyastam drishadi dayamanena manasa. Padante kirtinam prapadamapadam devi vipadam kathan neetam sadbhih kathina kamathi karparatulam katham va bahubhyam upayamana kale purabhida yadadayanyastan drishadi dayamanena manasa. Nakhairnakastrinam karakamala sankocha shashibhihi tarunam divyanam hasata iva te chandi charanau phalani swasthebhyah kisalaya karagrena dadatam daridrebhyo bhadram shriyamanishamanhaya dadatau. Nakhaihi khas mahapranah visarga changes to repha or r. Nakastrinam is a compound word. Nakhair nakastrinam because of sandhi. Karakamala sankocha shashibhihi is a compound word. Bhas mahapranah. Tarunam divyanam hasatah. The visarga is dropped because of sandhi. Iva hasata iva because of sandhi. Te chandi charanau. Phalani bhas mahapranah. Swasthebhyah is a compound word. Tha is mahapranah. Bha is also mahapranah. Visarga changes to jihva mooliya. Kisalaya kara agrena. Kisalaya kara agrena is a compound word. Swasthebhyah kisalaya kara agrena because of sandhi. Dadatam daridrebhyah bhas mahapranah, it becomes daridrebhyo because of sandhi. Bhadram bha mahapranah. Shriyam anisham. Shriyam anisham anhaya. Shriyam anisham anhaya dadatau. Nakhairnakastrinam karakamala sankocha shashibhihi tarunam divyanam hasata ivate chandi charanau phalani swasthebhyah kisalaya karagrena dadatam daridrebhyo bhadram shriyamanishamanhaya dadatau. Dadane deenebhyah shriyamanishamashanu sadrishim amandam saundarya prakaramakarandam vikirati tavasmin mandarastabaka subhage yatu charane nimajjan majjivah karanacharana shatcharanatam. Dadane deenebhyah bhasma pranaha visarga changes to shu there. Shriyam, dinebhyah shriyam, because of sandhi. Anisham, shriyam anisham. Asha anusadrishim, asha anusadrishim is a compound word. Anisham asha anusadrishim. Amantam is a compound word. Saundarya prakara makarandam is a compound word. Vikirati. Tava asmin, tava asmin because of sandhi. Mandaras tabaka subhage is a compound word. Subhage, the bha is mahapranaha. Yatu charane nimajjan. Mat tu changes to ju because of sandhi. Jivaha, majjivaha is a compound word. Visarga changes to jihva muliya. Karana charanaha is a compound word. Majjivah karana charanaha because of sandhi. Karana charanaha, the visarga changes to shu there. Shat charanatam is a compound word. Karana charana shat charanatam because of sandhi. Dadane dinebhyah shriyamanishamashanusadrishim. Amandam saundarya prakaramakarandam vikirati. Tavasmin mandarastabaka subhage yatu charane. Nimajjanmajjivah karana charana shat charanatam.